everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you some of my empties from the past weeks and months. It's quite a bit, so we'll start right away and get right into it. I'll just grab the first item in here, which would be something that I show most of the time. It's our hairspray that me and my boyfriend use every day. We love it so much and we would never buy another one. The next item is another hair care item. It's by Catharsis. It's a rejuvenating hair mask or mud mask, and it's supposed to revitalize and nourish the hair. What it says, the mask is rich with unripe oils of grape seeds, avocado, barago, I don't know what that is, wheat germ and almonds, as well as natural mud, shea butter and jojoba oil for moisture. Well, anyways, it has a lot of good ingredients and it's really good. I liked it. It's really like a mud. It looks like a mud. It applies like a mud. You leave it in your wet hair and then wash it out. Unfortunately, it wasn't so good for my color treated hair. It washed out the color quite a bit, but still it made my hair really soft and shiny, so I like that a lot. Another shower item would be the Treaclemoon nutmeg coffee cake shower gel. It's a really big bottle. It's like half a liter. It's really good. It smells like straight coffee. Like, it's so good. I loved it so much. And I mean, you know, now it's summertime, so I don't want that heavy smell, more something of like a, you know, like flowery smell. But this one I just loved so much, and it just finished. So I have another one in my shower now that is just as amazing. A skincare item that I finished was the Garnier Skin Active face wash gel with aloe in it, and it has 96% water in it actually, and it's for normal to combination skin, and I liked it really a lot. It like really cleansed my skin, it hydrated my skin, so that was a really great item. Definitely would repurchase that. So another item that I finished is a tooth cream by Elmex. It's for sensitive teeth that I have, so that one was really good. You know, my teeth didn't hurt, so that's always a plus. I did finish a few deodorants. Of course, another one of those. I shared them in my last empties as well. I had quite a few bottles of them. This one is called Dance Like a Flamingo. It's really cute design, as you can see, so super cute. It smells like red berries, orange, and freesia, which it was really fragrant. I loved it. It doesn't keep me dry though, so I just bought it for the design. I finished one by Nivea. It's the Protect and Care with 0% aluminum, which is also always good, and it smelled like that typical Nivea sand, like really fresh, really nice. I loved it, you know, just made me feel really fresh. Another skincare item was the Garnier Skin Active Eye Makeup Remover 2-in-1. It's for waterproof makeup, which I usually don't wear. However, this just takes off your eye makeup so nicely. I have been in love with that, and I will be buying a new bottle. I also finished a hand cream. I go through a lot of hand creams lately. I don't know, maybe because I have a lot of small ones. This one was by Rituals. It's the Ritual of Sakura Cherry Blossom. It smelled absolutely divine. I loved it. I think this was a sample size that I got in some sort of purchase, like, you know, like I purchased something and got that as a gift, and I just loved it. It was really good for work. You know, you can put it in your pocket. It's really good for that. An eye cream that I finished was another one by Nivea. It's the Q10 plus vitamin C anti-wrinkle eye cream. I mean, I don't have that many, you know, wrinkles. I do have fine lines around my eyes. However, I did like that a lot. I felt like it brightened up my under eyes, so that was really nice. I like that. Something I didn't like too much was the Sensodyne cleansing toner. It was like a gentle toner, alcohol free. I didn't really have the feeling that it did much. I don't know. I mean, you know, it was a toner, it was okay, but it just didn't wow me at all, so I would not buy the full size of that. It was a sample size, and I got it, I believe, in one of my glossy boxes. But yeah, I still would not buy the full size. Another product that I just recently finished, I think it was yesterday or the day before, is the Prime and Fine Dewy Glow, what's it called? Dewy Glow Fixing Spray by Catrice Cosmetic. I don't know if you know, but they do have a Prime and Fine line with all kinds of different things, from like primers to like eye primer, face primer, lip primer. They have different fixing sprays, setting sprays. This one in particular I liked because it said dewy, and I do like a dewy look sometimes. It was like, it had like some glitter, no, not glitter, but shimmer in it. That's what made it dewy. And I don't know, it just made me feel really fresh. It made my skin look very fresh, very youthful, so that was a plus, and I would definitely get that again. However, I'm the biggest fan of the MAC Fix Plus. I love that, and I do want to get the Pink Glow or Gold Glow fixing sprays that they have, just to try it, because I'm sure it's gonna be similar but better. I'm 100% sure of that. Another thing that I finished was the Body Shop Chinese ginseng and rice toner. Now this one I loved. I do have the face mask, the same one, the Chinese ginseng and rice one, which is one of my favorite masks by far. And this one was just as good. It just cleansed my skin like as a last step, and it was just very, I don't know, refreshing, very nice. It made me feel like squeaky clean. I really like this one. We have some, another deodorant. I always show that one as well, also on my Instagram. It's the Rexona Maximum Protection Anti Transparent Cream. It's a cream, so it comes out on the top as like a cream, and you know, put it on your under eyes, and it keeps you dry, like not even kidding. On the hottest days in the year, this will keep you dry. It will keep you, you know, smelling great. I love it so much. We both use them, my boyfriend and I do, and there's just nothing that's better. We haven't found anything yet so far. Another body care item is by Bilou. You know, BB loves you. I love her creams and shower gels and whatnot. This is a cream foam, actually. It smells like slushy apple. I do have a few backups of that slushy apple scent, because it was just the best one she ever came out with. I think so, at least. It just smells like fresh apples, like green apples, and I just love that sound. Like in the morning, you put on that foam and you put on your clothes, it soaks right into the skin, it's not sticky, it just smells good. I love it, it's really good. Another thing that I did not like so much, that's why I'm decluttering it actually, it's by Essence. It's the Essence Honey Care Regenerating Nail and Cuticle Mask with honey. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know, it smells like honey, it does. And I mean, I don't know, I think it just didn't work for me at all. I don't know, you put it on and it has like a really weird consistency. I don't know, I would not buy that again. I'm decluttering it. I had it for a while. It's just no good for me. Maybe you like it. I do not at all. I had a sample size of the Detox face oil. Detox is a really interesting brand to me. I kind of want to try more of these items from their brand. I don't know, the face oil was, it's a night and day facial oil with a meadow foam oil, almond oil, and argan oil. And it was just really, really good. I don't know, it just hydrated my skin. I mean, I do love, in general, putting on a oil before I go to bed, like any kind of face oil, just to keep my skin hydrated overnight, to like really help the skin renewal and everything. This one's really good, and I would definitely buy a full size of that. Then next thing I finished was the cleansing oil by MAC Cosmetics. This was actually a sample size that came with my order, and now I do have to buy the full size because this is just amazing. It was so good. I loved it. I mean, before I started using my Rituals skincare line that I just recently got and I made a video about, I used the you know, the cleansing balm by Clinique, which was amazing. I loved that one so much, but it was empty and I wanted to try something new, and then I got the Rituals one, and then I got this one, and now I'm sad I did not get that first, because I would have gotten this one instead of the Rituals oil, because it just kind of, it burns my eyes. I don't know, so I have to like cleanse my eyes first and then go in with the oil for the rest of the face, and that's just something I don't like. I just want it to be one step and that's it. I don't want to have like 5, 4, 6 different steps in my evening skincare routine, because, you know, sometimes I do get home very late from work. It's like 11:30, and all I want to do is just take off the makeup and go to bed, and if it takes me like half an hour to go through my skincare routine, it's just too much at that point. You know, I wanted to do the double cleanse, go in with a toner, and then that's about it at that point, at that point in time at night. You know, if I come home from work early, I don't mind at all. I love spending time, you know, pampering my skin and everything, but just not at that time anymore. Oh, another thing I did not like was the all hyped up Rub 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 by Lush Cosmetics. It's a shower peeling, and it's with ocean salt. It smelled really good. However, my skin did not like that at all, like at all. My skin burned like fire when I used this. Like I could not like rub it in my skin and just rub it all over, and you know, and then take it off with water. I literally had to peel under the water, so it would rinse right off, and even then it just burned my skin. I don't know what is in there that I just did not like. I don't know. So if you have another peeling that you would suggest from Lush, because I love Lush, just leave it down in the comments, you know, like, and let me know. Maybe I can try something else, because this one did not work for me. And unfortunately, we bought the big size because I thought this was going to be so amazing and I would love it forever, and it took forever to get empty. Not a good thing. I have another tooth cream. It's by Sensodyne. It's another repair and protect for sensitive skin, teeth. Not skin. This one's really good too. I like it. My skin, my teeth did not hurt, so that's always good. And then let's get some makeup that I finished. I finished a Catrice liquid liner. Unfortunately, it dried out, and the tip, as you can see, is like a little, I don't know, like, you know, it has like those fusses at the end. I don't know. It's not usable anymore. I can't draw a line with it. Then I actually decluttered something. If there's some of you that follow me on Instagram, there I had this one actually in my glossy box one day. It's Bang Beauty, and it's called Glam Cream Color eyeshadow, and it's like this gold tone. I don't know, it just didn't work on me. I did not like the consistency. I did not like how it spread. It couldn't blend it out. It's just the color wasn't right for my eyes. I don't know, it just, I did not like it. I'm, you know, getting rid of it. It's something to declutter. Another thing I am decluttering because I had it forever. It's the Catrice highlighting pebbles. I bought them because they are so cute. I mean, they are really cute, aren't they? And they don't smell bad at all. They smell really good, but they just didn't do anything. They didn't give me glow. They didn't give me like a blush kind of effect. Nothing. I don't know. I didn't see the purpose of it, and I had them forever. They must have been, I don't even want to say it, but I had them for at least 2 years, and it's just time to get rid of them. I did finish a mascara. It's by L'Oreal. It's the, what's it called? Fall / Superstar X Fiber. And then that one I loved. It has like the prime side. Like you go in with the regular wand first. And then on the second side, it has the fibers. So it comes with a brush like that. And it has like little fibers. I don't know if you can see them. It has like little fibers. And they really made my lashes pop. Like they lengthened, they gave me volume, they separated my lashes. I really like this one. So I would definitely get that again. And I finished 2 more. It's called Color and Contour 18 Hours Eye Pencil by as well Catrice Cosmetics. I got one in gray and one in like a bronzy brown look. They do not last 18 hours. They barely made it through a work day, which is about 10 hours for me. However, they did go on really smoothly. What I did not like about them is that they broke off all the time. Like there's like there's a little bit, you know, you can like twist it up, and then if you go on your eyes, they would just break off. And then you have like a sharpener at the end. You can sharpen it, and you sharpen it and it breaks off again. So you waste a lot of product actually. But they were still pretty good, but I would not get them again. So yeah, my box is empty. Nothing more to show. I hope you liked my video. I loved filming it for you. I love watching empties myself, and I hope you do too. I hope you found my reviews a little bit helpful. That's why I always watch those empties too, because I want to see some reviews of those products. And usually by the time they're empty, you have a pretty good opinion about them. But yeah, so I would love to see you in my next video. I hope you liked this one. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to see more of my videos. Make sure to give me a thumbs up for this video as well. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!